Got the frame all epoxied and the clips. Finally some came in the mail. I reused what I could. I needed 7 more. And you cannot get the right size anymore. So here's an original one. See how skinny it is? And these are all you can get nowadays. Are these aggravating things. And I tried 2 different suppliers and they all are the same. They say they fit, but they're not. They're not for a 70A body, I can tell you that much. See the difference in the thickness? They are, I don't know, somewhere around 1/8 of an inch too wide, which would make your trim too sitting high all the way around. You'd have a huge gap. So the 7 extra I needed, I had to modify these things. I smashed them down and closed in that gap. So you can see that's a new one there, but you can see how that lip overlays that screw head, whereas this lip doesn't even come close to that hole. So I just flattened out this lip that sticks out right there with a hammer, and then put it in the vise and just slightly squeeze them together to make them narrower, and hopefully they'll work. Like I say, there's only 7 spread all around, so I sure hope it works, because once you get the windshield in there with the gasket in there, you ain't gonna have much room to work with messing with those things. But next step is to put a window in. Maybe I'll start that tomorrow. Yikes.